Today, I want to talk to you about this GoPure Tighten and Lift neck cream that I was gifted by the company. I'm always looking for a good neck cream and something to put on the neck and décolleté because you know how important that is. We don't want to look like we're getting old. We want to fight the signs of aging as best as we can. So I'm always interested in trying something that seems like it's going to do the job better than the next product. And I really think I found it in this. It's a really nice product. It's made with hyaluronic acid, caffeine. It's dermatologist approved, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and it's vegan. So it's safe for you. And that is so important because I want products on my skin that are the best ingredients that I can get. I don't want something that's not going to be really made well and with a lot of care. And I think this is the product. So I got this and I want to tell you, I appreciate that they gifted this to me. And again, it's clean beauty, which is important because that's really important for our skin. This is something that you should use in the morning and you should use it at night before you go to bed. You put it on when you're applying your makeup, put it on your neck, you put it on your décolleté, and watch the results improve over time. Nothing's going to be immediate. As we all know, we've tried that and that doesn't work. So this is something with consistency. I think you'll really find that it's a great product. So I want to take a look and show you inside the jar. Let's open this up. So I'm opening this up and it virtually has no scent, which I absolutely love because if you're sensitive to scents, this is going to be perfect for you. And also what's important is we don't like every scent. So this is more like a one size fits all. Everybody can use this and no one's going to have to complain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some on my neck and I'm going to show you how it looks and how easy it is to apply. So I'm going to apply it to my neck. As you can see, it's white, but it goes on perfectly clear. It's very soft. You can see you just really put it in an upward motion on your neck. Apply it. As you can see, not a drop of grease. I'm going to put it on décolleté now so you can see. Okay, so here we have it. It goes right into the skin. It's very soothing, non-greasy, and I really think that this has made a huge difference. I'm so impressed with this product and I really appreciate GoPure sending this to me. Thank you so much. And I really hoped that this video will give you a little bit of inspiration to get our necks and décolletés summer ready and enjoy the product. Thanks for watching and please like and follow.